from wherever you're watching from. Very quickly today we're talking about the GBP JPY, that is the British pound, and the Japanese yen. So present now, like we can see here on this spot, GBP JPY has been testing this level of 196 close for some time now, and this has become a major resistance level because it has tested it for the third time. But we don't just want to rely on our technical analysis, because over time psychology in the market is 80%, while our technical and fundamental analysis is just about 20%. So how do we react to this market? For the fact that this market has come to this place for the second time, psychologically, by traders' behavior, this market or this particular pair is tend to aggressively selling by the behavior of the traders. But what we want to look at for here before we start selling this market, because even at this present point where it is at 195.76 thereabouts, there could still be a further inducement to push up a little above this level. So for this reason, we won't sell this trade right now, okay? But we'll be watching out for some move in this market. We want this market to give us a higher low, and the retest of the low about this level of, now when this market has given us a higher low and the retest of the low below 15200 thereabouts, then we can start selling the market. So this is how we perceive, or how we actually going to react to the GBP JPY. Yeah, the market has actually gotten to a resistance level, and this level can as well be called our supply zone, because whenever it gets to this level, sellers tend to start selling immediately. But just like it goes beyond the aggressive sales, we wait for further confirmation. The market has been on a lower highs and higher highs, okay, but haven't gotten to this level. We're waiting for other confirmation. Our chart pattern put to play, we can say that it is already giving us an M here, okay. With this chart pattern, we can say it's giving us an M, but this is not just an M, this is like a triple touch, okay. So regardless that, we want to now wait for other confirmation before we can decide selling this trade. So I haven't seen this move. We want to now see a higher low, a lower low, and retest of the low. Then we now start determining where to enter the trade from. But we're very sure that GBP JPY has tendency to start selling from this level where it is now. So this will be our analysis for GBP. Wait for further confirmation GBP JPY before you hit your sell, or look for ways to enter to start selling on GBP JPY. All right, so that will be all for now till we meet again.